It's back. The Nightmare Edition. Did you like a little intro there? The spookiness? I thought about doing a homage to the Blair Witch Project Scared in the Woods intro. Oh, I can't believe that bad movie did so well in the theaters. There's something in these woods, and it's us. I am so excited to be able to do this video today on the Nightmare package that we've put onto a 2018 F-150. It's an XLT. Last time we had one of these on the lot, it sold within days. So I was never able to have an opportunity to take it out, do a little video and show it to you guys. But we've had a great chance to take it out today. We got it dirty, which is the way a truck like this should be. Oh man, it's just been a gas. The thing I love the most here about this 6-inch lift on this vehicle is it is probably the finest lift that I have ever driven. So many that I've driven in the past, it feels like you're driving over a rope bridge made by indigenous people in a, Brazilian backcountry woods. Of course they know how to build a rope bridge that you're trucking it over, but that's how it feels like you're driving, and that's on concrete. So this is it's not a comfortable, it's not a smooth ride. This is not at all like that. The Pro Comp lift is exceptional. Exceptional handle, exceptional feel. Even with the big tires that we have on this, the aggressive tires, it's still a very smooth drive, and it handles fantastically. This truck is so much fun. I mean, if you want to take it off-road, by all means, it's got the 4-wheel drive on it. 4-wheel drive settings here just on the fly. You've got a little wheel you can adjust in the cockpit here. And it's just a gas. What do you want? Get it out, have some fun. Now the package we do, because I know that I know the Nightmare package can sell out very quickly. It's something we can add to any F-150. So if it's something that you want more information on, you can contact any of the sales reps here at the dealership, or as well you can contact our parts department. They'll be able to give you all the information on getting a Nightmare package installed on your F-150. With the 2018 5-liter V8 engines, there have been some improvements. Now, in the 2017 years, you had 385 horsepower, 387 foot-pounds of torque. Now, in the 2018, they've upped it a bit. You've got 395 horsepower, 400 foot-pound of torque, as well as you now have a 10-speed automatic transmission in here with start-stop technology. So what the start-stop technology is, it's a fuel saver when you're driving in the city. Come to a stop, at a full stop with your foot on the brake, it will turn off the engine and then re-engage it once you lift your foot off the brake a little bit. We're not demonstrating that today because in this vehicle I'm not stopping, I'm driving over everything. Just get out of the way. So, but it's very great. And now if you're one of those people who is hating start-stop technology or whatever, it drives you off, no problem. There's a little button on the dash, just press it, turn it off, and keep going. Now, with the Nightmare package, what you are getting is a pro-comped 6-inch lift. Now, the beauty of this lift is that A, you've had it installed by professionals at a dealership, still has a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer warranty, and it doesn't hurt your powertrain warranty on a vehicle. This is an issue we've seen with aftermarket or guys wanting to do it themselves, where it can hurt your warranty. That's something you really want to be mindful of. This also has the Mayhem Arsenal 1804 black milled rims, which are very outstanding, and as well the Toyo Open Country MT tires, which are very aggressive off-road tires. And then the pocket flares, the pocket style flares, these are Bushwhacker pocket style flares painted to match the vehicle and make it look extra sharp and fantastic as well. Well, I hope you guys had as much fun as I did, and I know that watching the video is not the same as experiencing a vehicle. So if you want to give the guys a shout down at the dealership, come down, check out the Nightmare package while it's still here. And if it's something you do want to get added to another F-150 or another truck, you can talk to us about that as well. It's an after thing that we do add to the vehicle. It doesn't come from the factory like that. Still going to maintain your warranty and everything else, which is very important for you. Most of all, whether you want to just have a vehicle that looks boss in the city or whether you want to take it off-road, this thing is fantastic. It looks great. I still cannot get over how well it handles for a lifted vehicle with big tires like that. Fantastic. And make sure you guys head to our Facebook page or Steve Marshall Ford. You'll see the videos posted there. We're doing a lot more videos. Help you out, give you great information, let you have a look at vehicles, find out your hacks about owning a Ford, all the little tips to make your life better, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.